Ooh, let's focus. Anyway, so this video is gonna be for the ka the ka the circumfix ka and then something something on. So it's the circumfix, which is again a type of affix because affixes are what? The prefix, circumfix, suffix, infix, all those kind of stuff. Postfix, they're all affixes, right? So this affix is a circumfix. And the circumfix is the ka on circumfix. And it's gonna be a short video, so it's a good thing, I guess. So, and the ka on circumfix denotes on the verge of, or something that's about to happen. Like it's on the verge of happening, or something that's on the verge or about to happen, right? And four examples I have, really easy, right? Ihi means to urinate or pee or piss, right? Ihi means piss or to urinate, like you gotta go take a piss and stuff, right? Ka ihi on, right? If I say ka ihi on, meaning, oh man, I'm getting the feeling that I gotta pee, like, oh man, I'm in the movie theaters, it's starting, the movie's starting, ay ka ihi on nako, like I need to go pee because I have all this piss buildup and I gotta take a piss or take a leak and whatever, right? Libang means to take a shit, take a dump, go poo, defecate, whatever, right? Whatever. Expel all that nasty crap from your butt. So, kalibangon, right, is like, oh, you are on the verge of shitting yourself, kind of like that. Or like you're about to go take a shit. You have the feeling, you have the shits. Like you gotta take a shit, you have the feeling that you need to go poo, right? You gotta defecate. So kalibangon, right? Kalibangon. Or you ate something and then you're like, ooh, kalibangon ako na. Means like, oh, I gotta go take a shit now, right? So it's like that feeling of about to take a shit. Ulan meaning to rain, kaulanon meaning, oh, I think it's about to rain. It's on the verge of raining. Take a look outside. Yeah, kaulanon. And finally, adlaw, right, meaning day. Adlaw meaning day. Kaadlawon means birthday. Right? Kaadlawon. Oy, karon ang adlawon ni so and so, right? Or such and such. It's their birthday today. Kaadlawon, right? Birthday. Right? And again, I told you it's a quick video. Ka, circumfix, right? The ka, something on, and it's the circumfix.